People always ask me, why do you go fishing? Why do you love it so much? And I can never really give them a straight answer. It's much more complex than it seems. I go fishing to enjoy the beautiful outdoors, spending time in the paradise that I'm so lucky to live in. Waking up early for the beautiful sunrise, breathing in that salty air, and listening to the calming sounds of the wave hitting the shoreline. I go fishing to feel the excitement of finally hooking a fish after 5 hours, after days of not catching. Fishing lets me live off the land, catching my own food from these Hawaiian waters and also sharing it with others, which is one of the best feelings in the world. But never forget to have fun. I don't go fishing just because I like catch one ulua. I go fishing just to fish, just to be in the outdoors, to be with friends. I'm never bummed out coming home with nothing. Because in the end, you're never coming home with nothing. You'll always bring home those memories and those stories that you'll tell for the rest of your life. When fishing with friends, catching is just a bonus.
I got it!
Yes!
Come on!
That's why I come out here!
Yeah! And she did it again!
Make sure every once in a while you look around and enjoy the time you have with your friends. Because let me tell you, time does fly. Nobody can stay young. These are the moments I truly live for. Fishing gives me certain feelings that nothing could ever give me.